Just realised I just did this video for this and it didn't even film, and look how gorgeous they are. Absolutely stunning. So I will do it again right here. So just got these little canvases which I love to gift instead of a birthday, Christmas card or gift card. Give these little canvases with whatever I'm giving, whether it be a bottle of wine or whatever. So I'm going to, I was doing a few because I like to have a few made up. So I'm not going to do the same colours as I just did. I'll go something a little bit different. So this is the, it's a burgundy sort of that I make up myself out of red and a bit of phthalo blue. Oh no, I think this one was, no, yeah, it was red and phthalo blue. And then if you want it to go even darker like this, got a tiny bit left, then you add a blob of black. And I call this my Berry Delicious. So I'm going to go darker on this one, I think, because that's really bright and vibrant and I love it. But I can't believe it, I just looked at my camera to come and bring you down closer and it wasn't even playing. That is so annoying. So annoying. Now this is lilac, a pale lilac. So I'm doing the wiggles over it, but I really love to do some of the chevron patterns. It seems to really make a feathery effect. So I will definitely add my chevrons. Now I'm going to add the pop of brightness. So this is obviously a bright yellow, and I have to kind of do these chevrons on it. And then a bit of the wiggles, a bit of the wiggles, and I will add, what colour should I add? And I'll go the orange because I'm sure this will make it pop even more. How annoying that that didn't even film. So it just was a double canvas dip. As you know, I love doing the dipping on either tin foil or bubble wrap, but today I just did the canvas. Like I said, I was making them up to gift, and this is white, so I'll do the chevrons in white. And then a bit of, I'll do over the edges. Yeah, there were two canvases that I'd previously had a go at something and I scraped them, so I thought, oh, now I'll use them as gift canvases. So very simply, all you do is, you can do this in any size canvas, you can do it in or any shape. I love the round ones myself, and like I say, or some little gift instead of a card. I think it's a nice little gesture. Or if you've got children, you can let your children take that, or you can let your children do this process with you, because it's nice and easy for them to do, as long as you're supervising them, and then they can take it and gift it to either friends at school or their teacher. So not an apple, teacher giving the teacher an apple, it's giving them a piece of art, which I think is lovely. So there you go. If you, when you've pressed it out, you can sort of flick it over and do the press on the other side too. But if you're missing any little bits, it's quite easy to remedy with a balloon, which I will show you. So let's flip this and see. That was completely different than the other one. I think I do like this colour palette better. What do you think? But that's quite lovely. That's, I probably could dip another canvas on that, because that seems to have so much paint on it, which little canvases which I bought a whole box of, so as I can give as gifts. Let me dip it on there again, see how it works. I hope I don't spoil that, what's on the other side, but I probably could have put a little bit more paint on it, so this canvas has got a lot of paint to suck up. I'll just leave that there for a minute, just while I do a little bit of balloon embellishment on this one. So you don't need to do this. This is my thing. Remember, my art, my rules, my way that I love to do. and you can do it exactly how you choose. It's just, I just find those little embellishments, and when I gift something from people that know me, they will say, where's your balloon kisses? You know, because they know that's what I love to do. So I'm just going to leave that one at that. That is beautiful. In fact, it's a little bit muted than the other Pop Your Socks bright one, but I like it. So now I'm going to have to look for somewhere else to put that canvas when I pull it off. I might move this one out of the way, and then I might flip this one over so it allows, yeah, that is really messy on the bottom. Yes, it's messy. Because as I said, I'd use these two canvases for another pour. I was testing something out and I didn't like it, so I just scraped the paint off and reused it as a base, and I'm reusing the canvas, so there you go. Now we'll see what we get out of this one. I really think I probably should have put more paint on it, but I didn't, so I can't cry over not enough paint, but there you go. I'll flip it back. Now I've made that bottom of that canvas messy, but never mind. It's all good fun. Oh, yo, 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 that is a beauty too. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And like I said, where you see there's thickness in the paint, I didn't need any extra paint. I can just do my balloon kissing, and I can do the edges with my balloon. So where I see paint is sitting a bit thick, take it from there and use it to embellish with the balloon. I love that. I love, love, love that berry delicious, that very dark, like aubergine berry colour. I love it. It really makes everything pop, I think. Oh, look at those. Wow. Super duper. That is, I've got lovely, lovely gift canvases. Look at all these. So, oh, that's my Samsung washing machine singing to me. And I was so annoyed that I didn't get to film those, but never mind, it is what it is. And there you go. I'm going to give it a whiz over with my heat one to set it. Love it, love it, love it. It's all basically the same colours in there, but just layered a different way. So that's what you get, these lovely effects. So simple, definitely very easy for beginners. If you've never done acrylic pouring or fluid art before, that's a really good starter, because you get lovely results and it looks like, oh, you know, you're a fine artist that's put all that together there, and it's done simply and enjoyably. So get together with a friend or family member, or your club or association. You can get some ladies, gents, whoever wants to do it together and have a go at that. That's canvas dipping for you. Bright, vibrant, lovely, lovely feathery effects, almost like butterfly wings. So my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed that. I will put some photos of the dried pieces on at the end, and I'll be back again soon. What I'm going to do with the very edges of these canvases, I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm just going to paint the edges, one of probably the Berry Delicious on the very edge to finish them off. And you can put them in a little frame any which way. All right, bye for now.
We could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. Maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close.